Event-Driven Instrumentation is Instana's modern tracing approach supported for .NET 6 and later applications. Instead of relying only on IL rewriting, it uses native .NET telemetry such as Activity Source, which helps reduce overhead and simplifies instrumentation. It listens to events emitted by .NET libraries and traces the calls. Now, let's see how to create a sample application and enable event-driven instrumentation. Open Visual Studio and create a new project. I'm selecting an ASP.NET Core web app, clicking Next, providing the project name, and clicking Next again. Then I'm selecting .NET 9 as the framework and then clicking Create. Now the project has been successfully created. Let's open Manage New Get Packages from the menu and ensure the required libraries are installed. Add the Instana-related environment variables in the web.config file. Next, open Home Controller and add the code below. In this code, we have two HTTP requests. The first request uses the normal IL rewriting method to instrument the library, while the second request uses the new Event-Driven Instrumentation library, which uses the azure.core.http library to instrument the application. In the index.cshtml file, let's add these lines of code to display the results. When you run the application, you can see that the first URL is invoked successfully using the IL rewriting method, while the second URL, google.com, is invoked using the Event-Driven Instrumentation method. We are using the azure.core library for event-driven instrumentation. Now let's try to deploy the application. Event-driven instrumentation is disabled by default in Instana. To enable it, go to System, Properties, and add the environment variable instana_enable_event_tracing with the value set to true. Let's publish the application now. Here, I'm publishing it to an IIS folder. Clicking the Publish button will publish the application to IIS. Here, you can see that the application has been deployed successfully. Now let's browse the deployed application. The application has loaded successfully. To see the generated traces, go to the Instana UI and find the traces for the deployed process as we normally do. This is the generated trace. Here, you can see that the first trace for http bin.org was generated using IL rewriting, while the azure.http trace was generated using event-driven instrumentation. So this is the basic setup for event-driven instrumentation on Windows with Instana. Event-driven instrumentation provides efficient native tracing for modern .NET applications with a simple setup and better control. For modern .NET applications, it's a practical way to achieve observability with minimal overhead. Thank you.